Thank you for watching my video. I'm AYANA. Today, I will make cream spaghetti with tofu. In Japan, there are some tofu dishes and we replace the ingredients with tofu. So I will make the cream sauce with tofu. So you can make the sauce thicker, thick, only tofu. So you don't need flour. So let's make the creamy sauce with tofu spaghetti. Let's get started. Okay, I want to introduce the ingredients in this recipe. This is today's main ingredient. It's silky tofu. In Japan, there are some tofu, and this is silky tofu. And please choose it because it is moisture. There are moisture of tofu compared to firm tofu, and it's important to make the sauce smooth and soft. So please choose it. In Japan, we use different tofu depending on dishes. Okay, so another ingredient. I use bacon and spinach and slice of garlic. And to make the sauce, our milk and to season salt, white pepper, and our Parmesan Reggiano. And today I make 2 servings, and this is spaghettini, and some salt and water for boiling. And I use olive oil for frying ingredients. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's prepare tofu. So this is our silky tofu, and in advance, I wipe off the surface, moisture on the surface, but not drain water. So just wipe off the moisture. Like this, because it has soluble water vitamin, so it has nutrients in water, so don't drain it. So if you doing so, we don't waste the nutrients. Okay, so it's done to prepare tofu. Okay, squeeze a little, gently. Okay, so let's make the sauce. So it's very important if you use tofu for cream sauce. It's important mix well, so it will be soft and creamy sauce. So I have hand blender this one, and blend them, so other ingredients with tofu, blend them well by completing the creamy sauce. The spaghetti is very delicious. So let's get started. First, silk tofu. And milk. And some white pepper. And some salt. Okay, let's mix. The sauce is very smooth. So, can you hear? Can you see? Sorry. Wow. So smooth. It's okay. Okay, I check the taste a little. So tofu flavor is nice, and so yes, so it has saltiness, but I want to add some salt a little. I think it's better. Okay, it's done. First, a high heat and fry the garlic. And the bubbles comes out. Reduce the heat to low heat and stir fry. Okay, the garlic is golden brown, so I remove it. Okay, next, so stir fry, saute the bacon. Okay, the spaghetti is more 3 minutes to boil, finishing to boil. So I add pasta water to sauce. And blend it. So I forgot to say, so to taste finally, and I want to add the salt a little. Okay, spaghetti is done, so I drain the water. Okay, add the white sauce and spinach. Okay, and turn off the heat. And then add the drained pasta. And mix well with tongue. それではいただきます。So the garlic, aroma of garlic is so good. So I add the fried garlic on top. Definitely delicious. It's so delicious. So I'm surprised at it. The cream sauce is so good, smooth. It's smooth and creamy, and I can I can feel the flavor of tofu, but it seems cream sauce. If we use the tofu, it is likely to be less taste, less flavor, but I saute the garlic for frying, and yes, and tofu is very smooth, so texture is good. It's soft texture, so it's important to blend them well. I think silky tofu is best because I cooked this dish with firm tofu, but it was little firm sauce minutes later. So silky tofu is good. So it's creamy and smooth, soft texture. So I recommend it. Freshly grounded, the pepper is good. So gives accent to this spaghetti. So I recommend it strongly. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.